Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi La Specialista espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because he was having some troubles with the grinder, and we just basically had to disassemble the entire thing, deep clean everything inside, making sure everything was moving in there, reassemble it together, and the grinder was working. And I'm going to show you that, as you can see, the grinder is definitely working. And it's just depositing those grinder beans into the portafilter. Now we're gonna use this to tamper our shot. Bear with me, I have a big tablet and I am using one hand to do coffee. Perfect. Put it inside. Give me 1 second, I need to use my hand here. Perfect. You have to make sure it's in the 90-degree position. That's the safest position, and the position to the coffee. You can kind of see it right here when it says insert and close. Pressure gauge going all the way up. Coffee getting extracted at the bottom. As you can see, working really great. Now we have the light of the hopper. That means that the hopper does not have enough beans, and that can easily be fixed by just adding more beans to it. You will see that thing just disappear, and now we can continue grinding the way we're supposed to. Okay, again I'm gonna need my 2 hands here. And again, let's grind and again more. This time we're gonna grab the max setting of the grinder. That way we can use as many beans, and we can show you how to disassemble and put it back together. I'm gonna get rid of that. Perfect. Now there's no beans inside the grinder, and we can disassemble it by pressing all, rotating all the hopper all the way to the remove sign. Let me see if I can focus it. There you go. There is the remove sign. You just have to put it all the way here. Once it gets in here, you just rotate this into the unlock position, open it up, and then you can clean the grinds, the burrs, by unlocking these to the opposite side. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm just going to blow some air through them as I already did it. And again, just to put it back together, you put the hopper onto unlock position, then you twist until you hear that click, and then you can start adjusting your grind depending on what kind of coffee you have in here. And there you have it, DeLonghi La Specialista working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching. And just to show you the steamer, that's something that haven't really tested, and then the hot water, we're going to test that too. As you can see, the steamer getting some good pressure. Working great, having good steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure. And hot water working the way it's supposed to. So thanks for watching, and thanks for repairing Kanen Coffee.